Hi, today I'm for the Motorola Moto E32s and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So let's just first unlock our smartphone. Now let's just open once again the Muviz Edge application. After that, let's just select one from these available tabs. So let's use, for example, this one. Just tap to apply. If you want to change backgrounds of the tabs, you should just slide to the just up or to the down with your finger. After that, for example, let's use this tab backgrounds. Just tap to apply. If you want to hide music controls after 10 seconds or just don't hide them, slide to the left or to the right side this white dot on this panel to turn off or turn on notifications and date to show them on the AOD screen. Just use the switchers, and to show battery status always while they were charging or just to don't show it, you should also switch it here. So let's go back, click to the 6 icon, switch AOD to the settings and tap to always on display. If you want to turn off always on display option, you should click on the switcher in the right upper corner to show it on the lock screen always while they were charging, and on music you should also switch it here. We can just use these two options separately. Just to change the timeout of the always on display option, you should tap here and switch it from 15 seconds just to 30 minutes or just to an hour. Just to change the brightness level to decrease or increase it, we should also slide to the left or to the right side this white dot. To close it with a double or single tap on the lock on the screen, you should switch it here. And if you use fingerprint unlock method, just tap on the switcher to close the option with the fingerprint and close it on screen off. Or to set the schedule, you should also use the switchers if you want to set start and the end time of the always on display option, and we can disable it during the calls if you want. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display option on our Motorola device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.